सी इतना कुछ कंटेंट है आजकल देखने के लिए, लेकिन अगर एक फिल्म है जिसके बारे में सब बात कर रहे हैं आजकल, तो वो है नेटफ्लिक्स की द डिप्लोमैट। और उसमें एक एक्टर है जिनका काम बहुत लोग अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, फ्रॉम फैंस टू ऑडियंस टू क्रिटिक्स। इज विद अस टुडे आवर गेस्ट सादिया, जिनसे हम ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे। बट फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, सादिया, अ वार्म वार्म वेलकम टू पंजाब केसरी नवोदय टाइम्स।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
तो पहले तो मैं ताली बजा दूं यार। वंडरफुल वंडरफुल वंडरफुल, बहुत ही मजा आया मुझे देख के। और इतने ठहराव के साथ जो इतना लेयर्ड, इतना सीरियस रोल आपने प्ले किया है, सो कुडोस टू यू फॉर दैट।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
तो ये तो मेरी एक तारीफ हो गई। अभी मुझे बताओ, ऐसी हजारों लाखों कितनी प्रेजेस, कितने कमेंट्स, कितने कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स बरस रहे हैं आप पे?
शुक्र है ऊपर वाले का. This is what you pray for, na? You work hard, you work hard. Eventually, you want people to like it. So, I mean, this part of the job is my most favorite part. Reviews.
हाँ।
Like, even if right now I'm shooting for a specific film, मेरा पूरा ध्यान honestly इस पे है कि यार अभी इसके reviews क्या होंगे, because right now I've just come from a space where I've been only reading reviews and critics. For me, validation really matters from critics and reviews, because these are the people, you all are the people who watch too much of content, too much of cinema. And if from thousand of things you like something that I have done, it feels good. It really feels good.
राइट। सो टॉप ऑफ योर हेड कोई है कुछ कमेंट्स, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, या सामने से आके किसी ने कहा होगा कुछ आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में?
Yeah, a lot of people have told me that they didn't see Sadia at all. People have told me that I was Uzma. People have told me that I lived the part, and this is the. I think what really I like, that most of the people said that this is the finest of performances that they've seen of lately actors, or good things, all good things.
ऑल गुड थिंग्स, टच वुड टू दैट, है ना?
Thankfully, thankfully.
चलो, लेट ऑल द गुड थिंग्स कीप कमिंग टू यू। अभी तो ये शुरुआत हुई है। बट लेट्स जस्ट ये भी बात करते हैं कि एक्टर्स जब किसी चीज पे इन्वेस्ट होते हैं, किसी एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, अपने किसी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, तो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं। मतलब हम सब अपनी जिंदगी में करते हैं, एंड आफ्टर दैट आप लोग क्या करते हो, वो ऑडियंस पे, क्रिटिक्स पे छोड़ देते हो कि चलो हमने मेहनत कर दी, अब हमारा रिजल्ट बताओ। तो नर्वस जिटर्स कितने थे रिलीज के पहले, और अभी क्या हाल है?
नर्वस जिटर्स थे. अब वो मेरी पहली दो फिल्म्स के टाइम पे मुझे नहीं थे, बिकॉज मुझे मालूम नहीं था कि रिजल्ट आने से क्या होता है. लाइक ठीक है, आएगी आएगी, लाइक इतनी इतनी केयरलेस बिहेवियर था. बट दिस टाइम आई न्यू कि I gave my all to this project, like in terms of emotionally, mentally, like whatever I could, as an artist could delve into, I tried my best. And बार ऐसा था कि यार it should just click, it should work, it should click with the audience. नर्वस था कि चल जाए, फियर था कि यार इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद अगर लोगों ने नहीं देखी, then what's the point, like then does it even make sense? गैम्बल थोड़ी ना कर रहे हैं, वेट करते रहे करते रहे करते रहे. Then so this time that feeling was there, that I hope it reaches people. Even when film was doing really well in theaters, I remember friends of mine who are from the industry told me, Sadia, the film is doing well now, relax. And I was like, no, 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 it should reach more people. And they're like, why are you so like, तुम जितेंद्र बन गई हो? वो भी ऐसे ही देखे. I don't know, someone said that, why I'm saying this, but they said, they also used to see it, box office collection, everything and everything. And even now I'm like, oh, is it Netflix paid number one? Yeah, let's like the worst space, nervous energy, like constantly. I don't have this attitude, oh yeah, ho gaya. No. Till now, I'm still going to my hidden messages, the spam messages, and checking people's mail and messages and what are they saying and writing about the film, because this was really hard. I want to perform, I want to act, I want content. Like कुछ हो गया, वैसा नहीं है कि बस हूँ मैं. मुझे उस चीज से बहुत एंजाइटी होती है अगर कुछ ऐसा हो कि हाँ बस तुम हो लेकिन कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो. तो वो हमेशा डे वन से है कि हाँ कुछ करना है, कुछ करना है. तो शिकारा में भी मुझे लगा बहुत कंटेंट था फॉर द डेब्यूटेंट. बट उसके बाद से जब भी कोई ऑडिशन भी आता था तो सबसे पहले यही होता था, सीन में, परफॉर्मेंस में कितनी परफॉर्मेंस है, क्या करने को है. और आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर जोगी मलंग सर ने जब मेरा ऑडिशन लिया पहले, लाइक लिटरली वी वर इन द रूम एंड वी जस्ट डिड द सीन, सेकंड सीन, जिसमें वो उज़मा बोलती है उसको कि दो सीन्स किए थे, एक एंट्री वाला एम्बेसी में जब वो भागती हुई आती है, और दूसरा अपना जिसमें वो उसको कन्विंस करती है कि एम्बेसी चलते हैं और पैसे लेके आते हैं. तो दो सीन्स के ऑडिशन थे, ऑडिशन खत्म हो गया, बड़ा मजा आया. प्रोसेस में भी मजा आता है ना. तो इवन लाइक इमीडिएटली आफ्टर द ऑडिशन जोगी मलंग सर सेड, सादिया, सी यू ऑन सेट. आई वाज लाइक, क्या रियली?
Wow.
How no, you're Uzma, you got that. I was like really happy. तो फिर उसके बाद जब स्क्रिप्ट मिली तो there is no question about it when you go through a character. And अर्ली ऑन कि अभी भी इस वक्त भी मैं एज वी स्पीक आई एम सो हंग्री, कहीं कोई सॉलिड सा कैरेक्टर लेके आ जाए तो मजा आ जाए। ऐसा ना हो कि अभी इसके बाद कोई मैं पूरे इंटरव्यूज के टाइम पे भी, प्रमोशन के टाइम पे भी सर को ये बोलती मुझे और मिलेगा ना, मुझे अच्छा कैरेक्टर करने दो। That's the whole goal. That's what I want. Like
राइट राइट राइट, एंड
something
वो
that
आप
I
बोलते रहो, उसको मैनिफेस्ट करते रहो, और द यूनिवर्सल की।
हाँ, कि something that people don't see me as, something people can't
हम्म,
visualize, because art is a vast form. आपको लगता है
राइट,
कुछ आ गया बड़ा, वो कुछ नहीं आया होता, because ये दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है. So
करेक्ट,
just explore is the idea right now.
राइट। अच्छा, लेकिन ये जो कैरेक्टर है, इसको आपने किस तरह से एक्सप्लोर किया? बिकॉज बहुत लेयर्ड कैरेक्टर है, लाउड नहीं है, कई बार कुछ ना कह के भी बहुत कुछ कह गया है कैरेक्टर, एंड ऑब्वियसली वो प्लेइंग समबडी रियल लाइफ, जो है एक पर्सन रियल लाइफ में। सो वो कितना चैलेंजिंग, कितना डिमांडिंग, आपके लेवल की प्रेप और डायरेक्टर की तरफ से कितना कुछ?
See, I'll tell you, when I did the audition only, na, जो पहला audition था, before even meeting the director or knowing about the script, I think what worked also was the fact when I read the scenes were like you, casting director Jogi sir did tell you कि इसका back story ऐसा ऐसा होगा, but कहानी नहीं बताई, हल्का सा one liner बताया ऐसा ऐसा होगा. तो for me as an actor, what is the most important is to not look at as it is the character, but to feel it is me. I did not meet Uzma before promotions. I
हम्म,
had never met her. I did not. In fact, I still remember I was watching some Z News ka, some channel ka interview of hers, and my director said, "No, no, no, you don't watch anything. You just did what you did in the audition, and just keep doing that, because that is me not looking at Uzma as a different person, me believing that it's me." So that
राइट,
process of an acting where I did not consider her as a second person. So when as a human emotions are same. Now if something will happen to me, I'll react in the same way. So now it's the art department, my director, my atmosphere, my co-actors, everything together, like how the space is on set, that it feels so real for me that it was easy for me to just be this person which I lived. So that's why I say it was I never looked at it from a second point of view, but situations happening with me. So the reaction and the story became mine. That's
राइट।
how I tried doing it, and that's how I think.
बट आई थिंक इट्स अ राइट अप्रोच ऑल्सो, कि आप एक अपने लेवल की एक नुआंस, एक इनोसेंस, एक फ्रेशनेस उस कैरेक्टर को लेके आए। बट हैविंग सेड दैट, यू कांट टेक अवे द फैक्ट कि उज़मा अहमद इज अ रियल पर्सन। लेकिन उन्होंने शायद बाद में आपने उनके साथ शायद कोई स्क्रीनिंग थी या कुछ, डिड
So
यू
she
गेट?
saw the trailer and she said, "Oh God, it's exactly like what I reacted. How did you know?" I was like, "No, ऊपर वाला."
हाँ, रियली?
As she said, "But कैसे हुआ ये? तुमने ऐसे कैसे किया?" या जो भी हमारा इंटरव्यू मतलब प्रमोशन के टाइम पे she saw some.
हाँ,
She said, "This is exactly what happened. This is exactly how we behave." ये कैसा? I think some things are very God sent. Yeah, these are not something that you plan. Some things are very natural, and I think that's what happened here also. When Shivam sir were narrating her the entire story that what we have shot, before that she was narrating the entire story what happened to her, which was like literally 99.9% same. You see that interview, it's crazy. It's on YouTube T series ke YouTube page pe.
ओके।
And she was also shocked ki bhai, like how, because she had narrated that time and now she went, it was very ditto copy thing. So
एंड
yeah.
आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर वो और एक डबल वैलिडेशन हो जाता है कि जिसका रोल आप प्ले कर रहे थे, वो पर्सन अगर आपको कहे कि मेरे बिना बताए तुमने एग्जैक्टली वैसे कैसे रिएक्ट कर दिया।
या बट आई थिंक इसमें डायरेक्टर का रोल है, क्योंकि डायरेक्टर शिवम सर ने सुना था उज़मा से उनका,
हाँ,
और उन्होंने मुझ तक एग्जैक्टली कॉपी पेस्ट वो कन्वे किया, और फिर however true you can be to your character and stuff like
राइट, राइट। बट
that.
दिस होल प्रोसेस, सादिया, हाउ वाज दिस होल एक्सपीरियंस? क्योंकि एक तो आप इस तरह का एक कैरेक्टर पोर्ट्रे कर रही हैं जो आप ही के अराउंड सेंटर्ड है, कहानी आपके अराउंड सेंटर्ड है, किसी भी सीन में जो हो रहा है वो आपके लिए या आपकी वजह से हो रहा है। हाउ वाज दिस एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ बीइंग द सेंट्रल पॉइंट?
Honestly, I never looked at it that way, because the story is not just Uzma's story. It's also how JP Singh fought with two nations and how he dealt with two nations to get this character back home. It's not just real story of Uzma, it's also a real story of JPG.
राइट,
And Sharib sir and Komud sir, who were real characters, who was actually a lawyer. When you're shooting, you're not alone shooting. There are 300 people shooting with you. We are just the face of it. We're living the part character, but there goes a lot of technicians and direction department and too many departments to make it feel real for you. So
Right.
at that point, the best thing you as an actor can do is just to be true to yourself, to you only look at your part and do, and then react to, reciprocate to, because that's how a whole film is made. If only I would sit on the train and there are no other passengers, train will not start for me only, right?
Right.
So I think it's also a collaborative process.
Definitely.
At that point, you don't think like that. But if somebody says that, I'm like, yeah, okay, that's cool. But it's
Right. But of course, it's a team effort, और तभी वो सामने आता है, and which is why the kind of love the film is getting, your character is getting. अब मुझे आप ये बताओ, with all the love that your character has garnered, do you think that this film can be the breakthrough of your career forward? कि भाई अब Sadia is here, Sadia has established herself as an actor, who can hold her ground, and अब meaty roles, everything that you're greedy for, वो आएंगे,
I
ये
hope
आने चाहिए.
I hope so. And honestly, that's all what I've been praying for. That's all what I want. That's eventually will lead. See, I'll tell you, I can only act with the opportunity that I'm given. If
Right.
I'm not given Uzma, you will never know who Sadia is and if she can act. The story of an artist only depends on the opportunity for people to see. Otherwise, अकेले कमरे में तो मैं भूत भी बनी हूँ, चुड़ैल भी बनी हूँ और उज़मा भी बनी हूँ और बहुत कुछ बनी हूँ. But beyond these four walls, it's a matter of only opportunity. So for me, it's very important at this point that I hope and I pray that I get the parts. Like the directors who see this film, first they see the film, and if they see the film, they see the potential. And if they see the potential, they think that I can, whatever logistics people have in their heads for market and stuff. They see I can do this, and they put that bet on this ghodi. I just hope that they do.
Yeah, but as an actor, your hunger and your greed is for meaty roles that are in the lead, or meaty roles that have कहानी को लेके जिनकी एक स्ट्रेंथ है, चाहे रोल छोटा भी हो, बट दे उनका इम्पोर्टेंस है.
See, the story first should click. Like for example, right now I'm doing, it's not entirely about me or revolving around me or blah blah blah. But the story I found so beautiful and it touched my heart that you want to be a part of it. So for me, it's very important. Either you give me a great story, a great character. I'm giving you or a great director to work with, or maybe a dream actor to work with. So these four aspects are there. Honestly, then if one of them is like, then fair. These are the only four aspects.
Okay.
कहानी बहुत ही कमाल की हो कि आपको लगे हाँ यार ये करनी चाहिए, ये एटलीस्ट फिल्मोग्राफी में होनी चाहिए.
Right.
रोल उसमें कैसे, जैसे रक्षाबंधन में मेरा कोई इतना रोल नहीं था, बट वो कहानी अच्छी लगी मुझे. It does well, doesn't well is not my forte.
Obviously, yeah.
And even in future things, ideally you want ideal part, you to be there and you to be the hero and you to do all that shit. But eventually it's all again a matter of opportunity. What comes ahead. मेरे
Right.
प्लेट जो होगा मैं उसी से सर्व कर पाऊंगी और उसी से घोषित होगा कि मेरा टैलेंट क्या है और मैं I think it's all destiny. I've given up on the thought now कि क्या होगा.
Right. So what next? Anything that you can reveal?
I'm still hoping and praying for a good, like great project. See, this one I signed way before Diplomat came out. I'm happily doing it, but I'm still greedy. And this one is very new. I don't know if I can say much about it or no. I can't actually.
Never mind. We'll wait for the
But
announcement.
what I'm shooting is fun. It's really fun. I'm looking forward to it. It's completely different than what people have seen of me. But I'm still hoping and praying we'll get done from the schedule in next 10-15 days. We've been here since past 1.5 months now.
Okay.
Yeah, more than 1 month now. So I'm just hoping once I go back, there is some good opportunity, there is some good character where I can focus on.
Definitely. Let's throw it out in the universe. And Sadia, may your plate always be full of the work that you want. वो greed जो है, वो hunger और भूख जो है आपकी कम ना हो, satiate ना हो, क्योंकि जब आप लोग अच्छा काम करते हैं, हम अच्छे से entertain होते हैं. So wishing you all the luck for your future, good health, and thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. It was a pleasure.
Pleasure's all mine. Thank you. Have a great day.